Revamping your living spaces with wood furniture offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. The incorporation of wood into home decor can profoundly influence the atmosphere of a room, enhance functionality, and promote a sense of well-being. As a versatile material, wood brings warmth, texture, and character to any space, making it an ideal choice for transforming your home. One of the most significant advantages of wood furniture is its timeless appeal. Unlike trends that come and go, wood possesses a classic quality that endures through changing design fads. Whether you opt for rustic oak, elegant walnut, or light birch, wooden pieces can seamlessly blend with various styles, from traditional to contemporary. This timelessness means that investing in wood furniture is not just a short-term decision. It is a commitment to quality that can last for generations. The aesthetic versatility of wood is another compelling reason to incorporate it into your living spaces. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique wood furniture and wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood can be stained, painted, or left in its natural state, allowing for endless customization options. This adaptability means that wood furniture can complement any color scheme or decor style, enhancing the overall design of your home. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern design or the intricate details of traditional craftsmanship, wood can be tailored to fit your vision, making it a powerful tool for personal expression. In addition to its visual appeal, wood furniture contributes to a sense of comfort and warmth in your home. The natural grains and textures of wood create an inviting atmosphere that fosters relaxation and tranquility. Unlike cold, synthetic materials, wood evokes a sense of connection to nature, promoting a calming environment. This is particularly important in living spaces where families gather. The warmth of wood encourages social interaction and creates a welcoming ambience that nurtures relationships. Moreover, wood furniture is often associated with durability and longevity. High-quality wooden pieces are built to withstand the test of time, making them a worthwhile investment. Unlike cheaper materials that may warp or break over time, well-crafted wood furniture can endure daily use, maintaining its beauty and functionality for years to come. This reliability not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces waste, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. The sustainability aspect of wood furniture is becoming increasingly relevant in today's environmentally conscious society. Many manufacturers focus on sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests, ensuring that their products are environmentally friendly. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has gained popularity due to its eco-friendly nature and unique character. By choosing sustainable wood furniture, homeowners can contribute to conservation efforts while adding distinctive pieces to their living spaces. This commitment to sustainability reinforces a sense of responsibility and care for the environment, aligning with modern values. Incorporating wood furniture into your living spaces can also promote a healthier home environment. Natural materials like wood do not emit harmful chemicals, which can often be found in synthetic alternatives. This contributes to better indoor air quality, creating a healthier atmosphere for you and your family. Additionally, the presence of wood has been linked to improved well-being. Studies suggest that natural materials can reduce stress and enhance mood. By surrounding yourself with wood furniture, you can create a soothing environment that supports mental and emotional health. The functionality of wood furniture is another important consideration when revamping your living spaces. Wooden pieces can be designed to serve multiple purposes, maximizing space and enhancing organization. For example, A well-designed wooden shelf can both display decorative items and provide storage, making it a practical addition to any room. This adaptability allows homeowners to create efficient, organized spaces that cater to their specific needs, ultimately improving the overall functionality of their living environments. Furthermore, the craftsmanship involved in creating wood furniture often results in unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that carry a story. Handcrafted wooden items reflect the skill and dedication of artisans, adding a layer of authenticity and character to your home. Each piece tells a story, whether through its design, the materials used, or the craftsmanship involved. This narrative adds depth to your living spaces. Transforming them from mere rooms into reflections of your personal journey and values. In terms of financial investment, revamping your living spaces with wood furniture can be a prudent choice. While the initial cost may be higher than that of synthetic alternatives, the longevity and durability of wood often make it a more cost-effective option in the long run. Quality wood furniture can withstand the rigors of daily use, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This not only saves money, but also minimizes the environmental impact associated with manufacturing and disposing of furniture. The aesthetic versatility of wood also allows for easy updates to your decor. As styles evolve, wooden pieces can be repurposed or refinished to fit new trends. A simple change in stain or paint can breathe new life into an old piece, allowing it to seamlessly integrate into a refreshed design scheme. This adaptability means that your investment in wood furniture can continue to pay dividends, providing value and satisfaction over time. Additionally, wood furniture fosters a sense of connection to nature, which is increasingly important in our fast-paced, technology-driven lives. The organic quality of wood serves as a reminder of the natural world, helping to create a grounded and serene environment. Incorporating wood into your living spaces can encourage a more mindful lifestyle, promoting relaxation and a deeper appreciation for the beauty of nature. This connection can be especially beneficial in urban environments, where access to green spaces may be limited. Incorporating wood furniture into your living spaces also encourages creativity and personal expression. The variety of styles, stains, and finishes available allows homeowners to curate their spaces in a way that truly reflects their personality. Whether you prefer sleek, modern lines, or ornate, traditional details, there is a wooden piece to suit your taste. This flexibility empowers individuals to create environments that resonate with their unique preferences, fostering a sense of pride and ownership in their homes. As you revamp your living spaces with wood furniture, consider the emotional impact that these pieces can have. Furniture is not merely functional. It plays a significant role in shaping our experiences and memories. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique wood furniture and wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.